Welcome to Virtual Open House. My name is Jessica McLeod, and I am your child's support teacher and team lead for the 2021 school year. Your child will come to support during the 7th grade related arts block. That will be either E1 from 10 to 10:40 or E2 from 10:45 to 11:25. Your student will complete a variety of work during support. They will have a daily work assignment, a vocabulary assignment, as well as an iReady lesson. iReady and daily work and vocabulary are required for a grade. We also have time to work on content. Content is any assignment from any of their core content classes that I can assist them with to make sure that they turn it in on time and get credit. We also have time during class to review and study for any content summative assessments. Every day, I also offer RTI to all of my students. I am available from 2 o'clock to 3:45 every day for individual or small group help for your student. We can work on any content core, assignment, project. We can work on any work that they are missing for me. Grades are an average of daily work, iReady, and vocabulary. You'll see in PowerSchool 2 grades for each week. It's an average of everything they've completed for me for that week. If you have any questions or concerns about your student and their progress in my class or progress in any class, please reach out and get me involved. I am here to support your student and be a part of their educational team to make sure that they have a successful and fabulous year at Creighton Middle School. I look forward to working with each and every one of you this year. Thank you for sharing your kids with me.